Here's how to make $1,000 a month on the side if you need to with just one digital product, even if you're starting with zero audience. Yep, one product, real income, and I'm going to show you how right now. I'm Angela, a former teacher and a full-time creator, and I help women of faith just like you turn your God-given skills and your stories and your experience into real income online, starting with just a little oil. Why little oil? Well, little oil comes straight from the scripture in 2 Kings 4, where the widow had nothing left when her husband died, leaving her in all kinds of debt. So much so, her creditors came knocking at her door and told her her only option was to sell her sons into slavery. She cried out to her husband's mentor, Prophet Elisha, and he asked her a very important question. It's a simple question that I'll ask you, and that is, what do you have in your house? She began to think about it, and she was probably thinking, have this man lost his mind? I am in serious trouble. She couldn't think of anything at the very front of the question, but then she thought about it a little bit more. She says, well, I do have a little oil. Her instructions were to use that oil and sell it. She did just what she was instructed to do, and the scripture says that she sold the oil, settled her debt, and lived off the rest. Now, she had nothing but a little oil, and she turned that into legacy wealth. Just a little oil. That's the plan God gave me, and that's how I'm helping women, just like one of the members inside of my Cura circle. She was overwhelmed. She didn't think she had enough to offer and barely had a presence online. But inside the Little Oil Challenge, we pulled out what she already had. Just one skill, one experience, one story, and turned that into a simple digital product. And now she is making money consistently on the side while she's working her 9 to 5. In this video, I will show you the exact method I used with her and what I use myself to create 1,000 plus months with just one digital offer. And if you are already nodding your head thinking, sis, I needed this yesterday, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. I drop videos like this every Tuesday to help you with your online business using what you know and you already have. So let's go ahead and dive in to exactly what you need to do what? Make 1,000 plus months on the side if you need to. Now, there are 3 key steps to hitting 1,000 plus months with a single digital product without ads, funnels, or overwhelm. And that's what you need, right? You don't have any money for ads. And you certainly don't need the overwhelm, not with all you have going on. So I'll break each one of them down for you. First, you need a profitable product. I can help you with that. Then number 2, you need to apply a simple traffic strategy. I'll break down what that strategy is in just a bit. And third, you need to share your offer so that you can make sales. All right, let's go through the first thing you need, and that is your actual product. Now, to hit 1K, you don't need 15 products, sis. You just need one product, and that will be your offer. It is an offer, however, that solves a real problem and delivers a bite-sized transformation. And if it does that, that's what I call a profitable. You get it? Profitable, like you're able to do it? Okay. It's a profitable product, not a cute planner. Now, can you make money using cute planners on Etsy or in your own shop? Yes, but that's not what this is. This is more of a purpose product where you are fulfilling your purpose by being a problem solver for a person who is already looking for the solution you provide, a real solution to a real pain point. And if your product doesn't help your buyer save time, simplify something that they're dealing with, or reach a goal faster, it won't convert. All right, let's go through step 2. Let's talk about the traffic. I teach 3 simple traffic strategies inside the Little Oil Challenge that work even with a small following. You don't need a huge audience to make this work. Gone is the day where only viral creators with hundreds of thousands of followers, gone is the day where they're the only ones that can make money. The small creators are taking over. And I want to take you through 3 specific traffic strategies that you can use even if you had 0 followers. The first one is what I call immediate traffic. This is your list of 5 people who already know you, like you, trust you. It could be friends, co-workers, church members, that cousin who always asks you what you're working on. Tell them about what you created. Offer to walk them through it. This is the fastest path to your first few sales. They already have your attention. You're already going to see them at the family reunion anyway. You may as well talk about the offer. And even if it's not anything that they need, I guarantee you they know somebody that does. Now, the second type of traffic I want to share with you is targeted traffic. This is where you go where your people already are, like Facebook groups, forums like Reddit, the comment sections of any social platform. Answer the questions that people are already asking where they are already asking them. Once you connect with them wherever they are, go ahead and share with them your offer. By sharing with them what your offer solves or the problem that they are asking about, say, here's a solution for that. I have an answer for that. Now, the third type of traffic is called attracted traffic. It's my favorite type. When I first started out, immediate traffic was my friend. As a matter of fact, everybody who knew Angela was hearing about what I offered. And then I moved into targeted traffic. These days, attracted traffic is what's making me the most money. Now, you don't have to go into all of these types of traffic at one time. If all you have is immediate traffic, start there. If you know how to navigate around online forums and connect with your audience and spaces they are in, then use that traffic. But the attracted traffic that I'm about to share with you right now is the So attracted traffic is your long game content strategy using platforms like YouTube, Instagram Reels, or Pinterest. YouTube is my absolute favorite. You create searchable or scroll stopping content that attracts the right people to you. In other words, you're not going find your cousin them to tell them about your product, and you're not going on all these different online forums and platforms to try to connect with somebody. You are creating content off the rip, off the jump that people are already searching for, and they go and find you. People find you. They come to you. YouTube is my favorite type of attracted traffic. Why? Because even while you sleep, even while you're brushing your teeth, while you're taking the kids to soccer, while you're getting ready for your date night, you already have content out there. You jumped the gun, and guess what? Everybody else who's looking for the content you created, when they search, they find you. They're looking for you. So you don't need to go viral to win. You just need to create content that people are already looking for. You just need the right 50 to 100 people to be searching for something that you already created, and it's there ready and waiting for them. And all you need to do is be consistent, because when those people are searching for what it is you have to offer, and they consistently see your offer each and every month because you're right there providing that solution, you're making money. You are making money, honey. So now let's go into sales. Now, with this profitable product I'm telling you about, let's say you price your product at $27. That means you only need about 38 sales per month to hit 1K. That's about one sale a day, plus a few bonus days. And can you help one person a day with your product? Absolutely, you can. If I can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. And if your price point is higher, like $47 or $97, you can hit that goal with even fewer sales. However, I'm suggesting a lower ticket offer to get started. Make sure you give your audience a very low resistance or a very low barrier to entry by giving them something that they won't even sneeze about, like $27. But it all starts with a product that people actually need, not what's trendy, but what solves a problem. Now let's do the math to show how this actually adds up to $1,000 per month on the side if you need to. Let's say your product is $27. If you sell 38 copies in a month, that's $1,026. That's roughly 1 to 2 sales per day. Let's go bigger. If your product is $47, you only need 22 sales to hit $1,000. At $97, you only need 11 sales. That's 3 sales a week to hit your goal. You could be doing this while you are still working your full-time job, raising your kids, and running your life. That's what I mean when I say income on the side. And the best part, once your product and system are set up, this becomes repeatable. Not only repeatable, but also scalable. Now, you can decide how you want to navigate the $1,000 per month that you need. I suggest starting with a low ticket offer. You decide what is best for you. Starting with $27, you can still get to your 1K goal, but you can get to your 1K goal much faster if you have a higher ticket offer. You have to decide what works best for you. This is not a one-size-fit-all situation. I don't know why creators out there are acting like the creator business, the creator journey is one-size-fit-all. You gotta do what works best for you. I'm not more special than you. I'm just like you. I started with no audience, no budget, and no idea what would work, but I had a little oil and I used it. You don't need to build a big brand overnight. You don't need 100,000 followers. You just need the right product, the path to get it seen, and a repeatable plan, even if you've tried before. That's what you need, right? This works because it's simple. And that's what you need right now, right? You need simple. Something that's going to work. This is it. This is your sign. So if you are serious about creating your digital product and making your first $1,000 online on the side, if that's what you need to do, I will walk you through every step inside of my little oil challenge. I'm giving you options and everything you need. Every step is inside. In 5 days of the challenge, you will create a profitable product, you will build your selling system, and you will start generating income on the side or full time, whatever is the best fit for you. And best of all, you'll do it using what you already have. You don't need more time. You just need a little oil. What little oil, Angela? The title of the book you just have sitting there on a napkin. The bullet points of a coaching program that's being held hostage in your computer. The idea that God gave you in the middle of the night. That is your little oil. We are just getting started, sis. I will never stop creating ways for you to succeed in life and in business. Join the Little Oil Challenge. The link is in the description below, and let's build your income stream together. The wonderful part about the challenge is that it is inside my Cura Circle, where you can work on it at your own pace. Fit it in your schedule. add it where it fits in your life to get this $1,000 plus a month straight to your bank account. Now that you know what you need to do to hit your $1,000 a month goal, watch this video to learn how to sell at least one digital product every single day, even with a small audience. It's Angela here, and until next time, always be creating. Here's your video. Bye for now.